Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ocugen today because it's going to be back in the news. Yeah, as the cough comes through, as it becomes more prevalent, as more and more people get it, then the vaccine is going to be more important as well. The question is Ocugen going to participate? Because if it is, then the money should be flocking to this stock before the market or mainstream media picks up on their vaccine. Is that what's going on right now in Ocugen? I got you. We're going to talk about that from the chart. We're going to see whether or not the money is flocking into this stock because they're going to get prepared for what's to come over the next month, next 3 months, next 6 months, next year, so that they can capitalize off of the money that Ocugen may be making from its vaccine. Let's talk. Y'all appreciate my videos, my content. Go ahead and hit that like button. Share the video and also subscribe here to my channel. This is what I do. I do price predictions off of the chart to get prepared for what's about to go down. So you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit me up. All right. Now I did a video in Ocugen on March the 22nd. Yeah, you guys can see it. I was looking for the price to go up in Ocugen then, and it didn't do it. Price in Ocugen actually went down. So from March to today's day, price in Ocugen has been in a downtrend. I get it. So if you want to say I didn't get my price prediction correct, go ahead. You could say it. It didn't go up from when I anticipated it to do it. But maybe now it's that time. Maybe I was just too ahead of the game. What do you think? We're going to talk about it. So check this out. I didn't get it right. If you were to get out the market on the close of yesterday in Ocugen, yes, we will be down about 16%. If you were to get out when the market in Ocugen was trading at the low, it's down about 55%. But the overall sentiment that I was speaking on in March looked like it's coming back in today. So let's talk about that. Let me go ahead and get rid of it. I didn't like that price prediction. I'll give you that. I did not get it correct. It happens. But what you do is that you get out the play. Check this out. So let me run this back. Okay. Let me run this back because I had an area of support in the market in Ocugen. So we had ample amount of time to minimize the losses on this play. We had our support area in Ocugen around $3. So the moment that the price in Ocugen dipped, okay, let me show you all how this game is played because nobody else is going to give you the playback. So the market in Ocugen fell below our support area around $3. So automatically, if you didn't want to get out, then you could decide I'm gonna hold on maybe 2 to 3 days to see if price is going to come back up above $3. All right, so check this out. Looking at the market price action in Ocugen on the 13th, look at that. The market buyers, they tried to take the price back up above $3. But then on the 14th, it didn't happen. The 18th, it didn't happen. And then definitely on the 21st. That's when at least you just said, all right, cool. The market's not showing me that it's bullish. It's not showing me that it wants to go up. The answers have been drawn on the chart. The problem is that people just don't pay attention to it because they want to follow their preconceived notion that they are correct, that their original idea is right. So if I continue to hold on, eventually the market's going to go the way I expected it to go. That is why so many investors, traders are down right now 50, 60, 70, 80% because they are following their idea that they are right. The market tells you when you're right, and guess what? It'll also tell you when you're wrong and when you need to cut it. This is when the market was telling us you need to cut the play. Because the market fell, what, another 32, 33%. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut that. All right, now let's talk. Because the market in Ocugen determined that the support area was here. Okay, so this is the support area in Ocugen. I get it. We all can see it. Been here before. There's nothing new. This is where the buyers determined that they felt price in Ocugen was attractive. They came through. Got it. Okay. Now, our focus on this video is how high we think market is about to go. Because not only did buyers come in at $2 in Ocugen, they also have trended higher. We're in the uptrend into the market in Ocugen. Okay, we're there. So those are two positive things for us to know that the overall scenario of seeing Ocugen going down has been suppressed. It's stop for right now. Now let's look at how we ended the week, okay? Because the weekly time frame gives us ideas to what the market really is trying to go. When you see a price chart or a price bar close at the high of the bar, like this one did on the weekly, it tells us that the market is still anticipating some higher prices. Okay. Now, when we see this, we need to pay attention to what happened in the background, right? At what prior price did the buyers had issues of trading above? Look at this weekly one right here. See, my eyes are already around $3.50. So if we're going to place some bullishness into this stock, that's going to be our first area for us to focus in on. It's $3.50. Let's take a look at a different time frame. This is Ocugen on the 3 weeks. So we've completed the 3 weekly price chart in Ocugen as well. Again, just like the weekly chart, the market in Ocugen closed at the high of the bar. Market is trying to go up in Ocugen. We can see it. We can anticipate it. Maybe it might run up to $3.50 or $4, and that's about it. Okay. Maybe. So I'm not going to be massively bullish. I'm not going to be massively anticipating a massive move higher. But as long as we continue to see indications off the price chart that the buyers are still trying to push this higher price in Ocugen, we know that we're still golden. It's just that simple. So let me hit this back over because I am going to play the strength into the market in Ocugen. I'm looking for it to go up. And now I want you all to see something, because we're getting confirmations that buyers are here. Okay. The first confirmation that buyers came into the market was when they supported price at $2. The second confirmation is that the market currently is in the uptrend. And then the third confirmation is that the price currently closed higher than the previous support area back in the beginning of the year, which is around $3. This is massive information, and it doesn't require a whole lot of time, a whole lot of energy, a whole lot of money to figure out what market is about to do. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Ocugen. Is it because of what's about to come over the next couple of months? Who knows? Are people trying to get in position to capitalize off of it? Who knows? All we know is that the money is moving and that they're moving it into Ocugen, and we want to participate. So let's go ahead and drop it. Now, we already know that the ultimate area of support is around $2. I get it. But seeing how the market in Ocugen now is trading above $2.50, that is where our support area is going to be. So now we know the play. So let's say that the market price in Ocugen, just like last time, doesn't follow through with showing us that it wants to go up. That first indication would be us breaking this downtrend line, and then us breaking $1, $2 to the downside. That would definitely tell us that don't anticipate the market to go up. So we know how to act. Yeah, we don't have to be emotional. If we see that come to fruition, the price break this overall ascending line that I got on the chart, and then the market ultimately breaks $2 back down below, we understand what to expect. Now, let's get the price target, how high we think the market's about to go. That first area, okay, that I've shown you was around $3. Let's see. Let me go ahead. That's going to be the first area, $3.25 to $3.50. Okay, that gives us 12.86%. We need to nibble. We need to win from these market moves, because if the sellers come in, if they're still there, the market won't run up to $4. But from what we're seeing on the 3 weeks chart, on the 5-day time frame, we're going to extend it up a little bit higher. Okay, to around $3.75. That's very doable in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so put this back on the daily time frame. We are here. We're in position. We're anticipating that the market in Ocugen is going to ride higher. You guys have heard my price targets. What? $3.50 to $3.75. All right. So this is my anticipation as to where I suspect the market is about to go in Ocugen. Now is your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.